Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will review the Amex Platinum Card Concierge service. This exclusive benefit offers personalized assistance for a wide range of needs, from travel arrangements to dining reservations. Understanding how to best utilize this service can significantly enhance your card membership. We'll explore its capabilities, common uses, and how to make the most of your requests. Get ready to discover the full potential of your Amex Platinum Concierge. Many members frequently use the concierge for securing reservations at exclusive restaurants, even those with long wait lists. They are also adept at crafting detailed travel itineraries, including flights, hotels, and local activities. Furthermore, if you're looking for tickets to sold-out shows or unique local experiences, the concierge can often help make those arrangements, saving you valuable time and effort. To get the best results, be as specific as possible with your requests. For instance, instead of just dinner reservation, specify the date, time, cuisine, and any dietary restrictions. For more complex tasks like planning an international trip, give the concierge sufficient lead time. While they work wonders, last-minute requests for highly exclusive items can be challenging. Knowing their scope helps manage expectations. Ultimately, the Amex Platinum Concierge is designed to be a valuable time-saving tool, offering convenience and access to exclusive opportunities. While they strive to fulfill every request, some things, like securing a table at a fully booked restaurant on short notice, might not always be possible. They operate within ethical and legal boundaries, ensuring a professional and reliable service for all card members.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.